Boots.
Which one is for boots? Is it a B?
B.
How do you say B? B.
B. B.
Okay, put the
B.
clothespin on. Here, just do that one. Turn it around. You pinch it. Open it.
Water.
Okay, look. Boots. Which one is this?
Water.
Okay, which one's here? Which one is water?
Jeopardy.
W. What does W say? Water.
Water.
Okay, which one is this?
W.
Which one is this? What's in?
Power.
Flower. Where does the flower start with?
D.
No, that's a G, but not G. Is it F?
X.
How do you say F?
Uh-oh.
Flower. Which one is this?
That's a flower.
That is a flower. What is this one?
That's a sun.
What does sun start with?
O.
No, not a R.
S.
S. How do you say S? Good job. Which one is this?
Gloves.
What does glove start with?
D.
A G. How do you say G?
D.
G. 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 G.
D. Banana D.
What is this one?
Banana D.
What are these?
Banana D.
That's a J, not a G. What is this? Pots. What does pots start with? P. 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 Which one is P? P. Pots.
Pots.
Which one?
K.
No, not K. P. P. Pots.
P.
Good job. Say P. P.
P.
Pots. What are these?
Toys.
Tools.
Toys.
Good job. What does tools start with?
M.
Now listen to it. Tools. T, t, t. It's like a
T.
tractor. Good job. T.
Tractor.
Tools. T, t, t.
Tractor.
What is that?
Hose.
What does hose start with?
H.
H. What's H say? How does it say? Good job. Okay, go back through. Show Mama which ones you did. Tell her which ones you did.
Tools.
Tools.
Tractor.
Yeah, same letter. What is this one? Bless you.
Pots.
Pots. P. What's this one?
Pots.
What is this one?
Look at Mama, say, I did it. Look at Mama. Look right here. Look right here, look. That's a good boy.
You take them all off. Open.